Prarthana Samaj. Dadoba Pandurang Tarkhadkar established Paramhans Sabha in Mumbai in 1848. Later, Paramhans Sabha was dissolved and some of its members founded the Prarthana Samaj. Dadoba's brother, Dr. Atmaram Pandurang, was the first president of Prarthana Samaj. The prestige of the institution increased due to the enrollment of young graduates from Mumbai University. Justice Ranade, Dr. R.G. Bhandarkar, carried forward the work of Prarthana Samaj. The opposition to idol worship, monotheism, opposition to rituals were the principles of Prarthana Samaj. They stressed on devotion and prayers. For reforming the society, Prarthana Samaj started orphanage, women's education institutes, night schools for workers, and society for Dalits. Maharishi Vitthal Ramji Shinde, a member of Prarthana Samaj, established Depressed Classes Mission. Through the mission, an attempt was made to solve the social problems. Satyashodhak Samaj. Mahatma Jyotirao Phule started the Satyashodhak Samaj in 1873. Satyashodhak Samaj worked on the principle of formation of society on basis of equality. They protested against untouchability. They advocated education among the depressed classes and women. Advocated means supported. Mahatma Phule reformed the society through the medium of books like Brahmanache Kasab, Gulamgiri, Shetkaryancha Asud, and Sarvajanik Satyadharm. He severely criticized the traditions and customs that made discrimination between man and women, or rather human being himself. Emancipation of women. During the expansion of British rule in India, the position of women was very miserable. They had no right of education. They were not treated equally. Child marriage, dowry system, sati, Keshavpan, opposition to widow remarriage, such customs prevailed in the society. Keshavpan means tonsure. The then governor, Lord Bentinck, took help of social reformers like Raja Ram Mohan Roy to pass the Sati Prohibition Act. Gopal Hari Deshmukh, popularly known as Lokhitvadi, advocated gender equality through his writings in Shatpatre. In 1848, Mahatma Phule started the first school for girls at Bhidewada in Pune. His wife, Savitribai Phule, supported him. Savitribai Phule had to face great criticism from the society, but she continued to work in education. Mahatma Phule established the Bal Hatya Pratibandhak Gruha in his own house. He conducted a strike of barbers against the custom of shaving the heads of the widows. For gaining permission to widow remarriage, Pandit Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar, Vishnu Shastri Pandit, and Vireshalingam took up special efforts. In his newspaper, Sudharak, Gopal Ganesh Agarkar gave his staunch opinion about child marriage, law of consent. Staunch means loyal and committed or assertive. Maharishi Vitthal Ramji Shinde organized a conference against the practice of Devdasi. In her book, Stri Purush Tulna, Tarabai Shinde very fiercely put up her views about women's rights. Maharishi Dhondo Karve started the Anath Balikashram, an orphanage for girls. His intention was to give education to all women and make them stand on their own feet. Through his efforts, the first women's university was set up in the 20th century. Pandita Ramabai founded the Sharda Sadan and took up the responsibility of taking care of disabled children and women. Ramabai Ranade, through the medium of Seva Sadan Institute, started the nursing course for women. She demanded the right to vote for women. Through articles, Dr. Ambedkar spoke about the injustice towards women. Mahatma Gandhi also advocated education of women. Women have given valuable contribution during the freedom movement. Women's reform movement helped in closing down many unjust practices in the society. The voice for problems against the women broke out. Women started putting up their own thoughts through their writings. Their performance in every sector of life flourished due to education.